This keeps you coming back.
Oh, that's half the bucket. What's going on, everybody? So I've never been smelt fishing before. My business colleague slash boss slash chief slash partner in all this, Mr. Kevin, he's gonna be taking me smelt fishing for the first time in my life. So I think this will be a good time. I'm pretty excited to see how it goes, and yeah, we'll see what we can make of it. It's about 10:04 right now, and yeah, he's gonna pick me up and we'll get in the ruck, get some coffees for the road, and we'll hit the ground run. So let's see. Kevin, buddy, I'm excited. Thanks for taking me. How are you?
Oh, you know.
Yeah. Fill up.
Yo.
Kevin, you excited? This is your first time taking me fishing. How do you feel about it? You nervous?
I'm nervous about the gas prices.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
It's outrageous.
Dude, it was 112 in Espanola today.
We're getting ripped in Sudbury.
It's bullshit.
Is the act of smelt fishing smelting, or is it just smelt fishing?
It's a good question. Hello? Dude, say something to them.
Hello?
I don't think they understand you.
Is that guy just driving up, doing nothing?
Looks like it. Oh, because they might be closed too.
Is that a curve?
And that's the, yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's the curve. That's okay.
Oh,
Jesus
yeah,
Christ.
This is why we drive down.
We're dead. Yeah. Well,
Yeah, okay. Yeah. This is why we drive down.
in there.
Truck doesn't have reverse.
Should probably get that fixed, dude.
Yeah, pop a bit.
Get some nets.
Get some nuts.
Right there, no?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good call.
I have long arms.
No, we need longer than that, dude.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah. Plan B. We used to go to Brit. Papa Bear fixed us up.
Hmm. All right, let's see.
Little muff, of course. Got a little muff.
You ever been smelt fishing before?
Me?
Yeah.
No, my first day. My dad would say, back in the day when I was a kid, I used to sit by the creek with my dad drunk, and we'd watch the smelts come up the creek. We'd sit there all day doing nothing. All of a sudden, we'd see them coming. The water would change color, and then it'd start dipping.
Booyah. This is hilarious. This light's barely working. It's just enough for a footpath. Kevin's got a bunch of nets. I got the buckets, and here we go.
Dude, it's so deep right here.
Yeah.
Dang, it's all getting stuck. Boom.
Yeah.
Boom, Glenn, adding to the pile.
I'll get out. Yeah.
First time out, Glenn. You know what you gotta do, eh? You gotta take a bite of one. You gotta bite a head off.
Bye.
That's pushing it. There it is. Get it. Get it.
That was a joke, eh? You make that up, don't you? You're like, you don't know.
Why? We all eat them.
Nobody bites the head off those. Jeez. We're laughing. How do you feel?
Well, you know,
Well, you know.
you go 400
Let's go.
scoops, you get one like this, keeps you coming back.
Oh, that's half the bucket right there. Gee. Fuck. Made it back to the truck.
You know what chicks dig?
What?
Men who bring home meat.
Oh, we filled the cooler. Easy fill the cooler. It's like 2/3. Kev's now here at the Shell. Tribe Petro. They're closed. Esso's closed. Now we're here at the Shell. Kevin's getting ice. Hopefully. And I'm Going to bed soon. It's 2:45 a.m. Wednesday. Well, Thursday now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little hungry. I'm a little reeking of fish, but I have no regrets. Overall, really great evening night. Company was moderate, but it was a good time. Got a lot of fish, and I look forward to seeing part 2 of this where we cook this shit up. So, enjoy, subscribe, like the video.
I love it.